So I had this plan to put together this whole total archery challenge, highlight reel, video, movie thing. I ended up taking over the SEVR Instagram pages the days that I shot, which was awesome, but I didn't collect anywhere near enough video content to put together a kind of a movie. But what I did do is string together a whole bunch of clips of slow-mo shots from our time on the knock-on and Sitka course. Shout out to everybody that I met on the mountain. Absolutely incredible event. I'm sorry I didn't get to capture more of it, but I hope you guys enjoyed these clips. And yeah, see you guys next time. Great shooting with y'all. Props to Total Archery Challenge for getting this whole thing done in COVID, and thanks for all the vendors and everybody that came out to the mountain. Awesome time as always, and I'll see you all next year.